We're going to be making some laundry detergent today, and I've got 2 bars of Fels Naptha that I have let dry out so it grates just a little bit better. So I'm going to put this in my rotary grinder. Just kind of, if you can see that or not. Anyway, that just takes a couple of minutes, and as you can see, this is a very nice fine powder that the soap is all in. I'm going to take some borax and some washing soda, just Arm & Hammer washing soda, about 2 cups of each. Sometimes borax gets a little bit clumpy. You may have to break up those clumps. Anyway, I just take my hand and kind of break up the clumps. And as you can see, we have quite a bit of powder here. I'm going to take just some Oxi Clean and just dump all of that in there. And then if you want, you can use some scent beads. You don't have to. This is optional. And then I just use my hands and kind of mix it all together. You can use a spoon. You can use a bigger bowl, which may have been a better idea in this particular situation, but that's okay. We make a little bit of a mess, and that's all right. It's just powder. Easy to clean up. It's soap. It's fine. So as you can see, it's nice. Break up all the clumps. And then I just store it. I use my Oxi Clean thing and use about half a scoop per load of laundry. Sprinkle it in and start the washer. That's it.